Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a circle transparent in Photoshop. Let's get started. Okay, then step 1. Create a red circle or yellow. I use example red circle. Do not use stroke. Hold shift, press Ctrl T, create a red circle and transparent gradient overlay or sense opacity and filter screen multiply liner draws. Okay, and use gradient transparent change color red. That's it. Okay, and step 2, again create a new layer. Use only stroke. Press enter. Hold shift. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.